Assalamu alaikum, guys. How are you all? I hope that you all are doing fantastic. I'm also doing fantastic by the grace of Almighty Allah. This is the noon time. I'm making this video only for you. My little daughter is cameraman. She's smiling to me. That's why I'm smiling. I'm practicing the English language every day. I have to practice. I have to learn a lot of vocabularies. I have to reading on the English books. I have to watch English related movies, English related cinema. And if you want to learn the English language, there is no shortcut. Actually, there is no shortcut to practice. If you want to be fluent learner, if you want to be fluent speaker in English language, there is nothing shortcut. You have to practice. You have to practice face to face, body to body. That's mean you can practice with another. You would be good writer in English. You can be good grammatical rules. You know the good grammar. But if you want to be fluent speaker, you have to speak at least 1 hour, 2 hours every day. It will help you to make a fluent speaker. So there is no shortcut of practicing. So if you like this video, please like, comment and share. See the next video. Till then, Allah Hafiz.